Hello friends, welcome to the Ekalavya Universes. I am Ravindra, the founder and the developer of the system named Ekalavya Universes. One system, all of IT career. Now, I would like to present to you a good idea. As you know, a good idea may change your life. Now I am presenting you a life-changing idea for millions. That is software career for every graduate aspirant. Every graduate aspirant, that point you have to understand, provided they have three C's: computer, commitment, and common sense. Regarding this, I have to give little explanation. Computer. If you want to evolve as a programmer, you must have a computer. That is an essential prerequisite. Actually, in this context, one thing I have to tell you. If you are in a position to afford, you can purchase a high cost computer or a higher end computer. But if you are not in a position to afford, don't worry about that. You purchase any second hand computer. For your information, for example, dual core or core to do computers, second hand market, you can get at a 5,000 rupees. That is enough for your entire study. But one thing you must remember is without having computer, you never evolve as a programmer, because you have to work out. This is an application oriented study. That's why whatever concept you learn, immediately you should implement that. Analogically, without a car, you cannot learn car driving. That's why computer is an essential prerequisite. Any second hand computer, that is enough. Second one is commitment. These programming studies are totally unique. These are different from academic studies. So you must have perfect commitment. Without having perfect commitment, you never evolve as a programmer. But commitment, you cannot get it forcefully. If you have to get commitment towards anything and all that, certain criteria is there, and you must have that. The first one is instant result. Suppose if you work now, go on working for a long time, then you get result, means you may not sustain your integrity. That's why you must get instant result. In our system, from the hour one onwards, from the day one, you get result. You learn concept, then and there you implement. By that, you see the result. It improves your interest towards the study. Second one is guaranteed success. Actually, success is guaranteed, then only you can develop a lot of commitment towards that. For example, if you travel for 10 kilometers in a route, you will reach the destination, means you can focus on that. You can develop a lot of commitment towards that. Suppose you do not know the route, how much distance you have to travel to reach the destination, you do not know. In such situation, it is very difficult to maintain commitment. So, here, success route, your success is 100% guaranteed through us. So, that is second one. The third one is enjoyment. Where you enjoy, there you never get tired. In this context, I have to give a simple example. In 1 hour classroom, 1 hour period, many students in classroom, they are tired. Not many, at least some. They look at the watch for many times because they fed up with the class. But the same person in a film theater, at a stretch, 3 hours they sit and watch. They enjoy like anything. Even a fraction of second disturbance also they cannot bear. The same person in cricket stadium, at a stretch 10 hours they sit and enjoy in the hot summer on cement benches also. Here, if you analyze that, the same person, 1 hour classroom, 3 hours film theater, and 10 hours cricket stadium in a hot summer. So, what is the difference? The only difference is enjoyment. That means where you enjoy, there you never get tired. Here, I see that You enjoy programming from the day one. So that's why you can get commitment. In this context, one very important fact I have to share with you: the real-time programmers in a programming development industry, 60 to 70% work they do mentally, and 30% work of that programming task they work on computer. 60 to 70% work mentally, and 30 to 40% work on computer physically. That point you have to understand. Without commitment, you cannot do that. Academic studies and all that, whenever you have time, you can study and complete that. Here it is not that. You develop a passion towards programming studies. What to do that, for that, everything I provide through my environment, through my support. You need not worry about that, but develop a commitment. If you don't have commitment, don't think of it. Thereafter, common sense. Common sense is very core. If you don't have common sense, it is very difficult to evolve as a programmer. I am not talking about intelligence. I am not an intelligent at all, but I dare say I have ample common sense. Most of you think, what is common sense? One thing I have to tell you: common sense is uncommon among the people. Very few people are having common sense. That point you have to understand. Here, common sense means you should aware of the environment, what is going on around you. You go to a bank, you go to a college, you go to a hotel, you go to different offices, use transport. So, all these are different domains. How they are running, for that you need not wait, or you need not spare some time and study. Automatically, you should observe. By observation, you can understand many things. So, whenever it is required, you can deeply study. So, aware about the environment around you, that improves your common sense. And number two is taking sound judgment in respective context. So, whenever a situation comes, you must take a sound judgment. That also part of common sense. So, if you have three C's: computer, commitment, and common sense, prima facie you are eligible for this course. That point you have to understand. Okay, and here one privilege is there. What is the privilege? Okay, if you are confident that you have the three C's, then I am providing you 6 hours of free module. Of the first 6 hours of this course, I am providing you absolutely free. I share with you, and work on that. Just daily 1 hour, 6 training sessions, daily 1 hour, maximum within 1 week I complete. Because not only completion, your discipline is very much required here. Within a time frame, you have to complete that. Whenever I have some time, I do that and all that. And it is very difficult to evolve as a programmer. That's why within 1 week I complete. That your self appraisal, self test. If you are able to do that, then think of this course, whether to pursue this course or not, whether you are compatible with this course or not, then follow suit. So, for this purpose, whatever system, strategy, and support you require, everything I provide. These are called 3 R's. 3 R means R represents right. Right system, right strategy, and right support. Actually, right, logically, a right system is like a vehicle. If you want to reach a destination, it is the right vehicle to reach your destination. Right strategy shortens your route, shortens your road. That means for reaching a destination, multiple roads are there, multiple vehicles are there, but if you have a right strategy, it shortens your road. And the third one is right support. If you get a right support for everything, your journey will be comfortable, and you can enjoy your journey. So, through our system, I am providing you 3 R's. The first one is a right system, a right strategy, and right support. This is just a matter of 120 hours. For that purpose, I have developed a program called Career Shoot 120. Just 120 training sessions you study. By that, I can give you 100% guarantee that you will be evolved as a industry ready programmer, start software industry ready programmer. That is assurance is mine. Okay, by that you can pursue this course and you can complete it within few months. Wish you all the best.